Well, we have made an investment here through our community facilities program to assist them with some important emergency response equipment. And so came today really to see how that's working on the ground and to hear firsthand, what things had been like for them prior to having these additional resources, and then how it's helped them in keeping their county safe. It was also a great opportunity really to interact with several other community leaders and have a firsthand understanding of their needs, whether it's infrastructure or workforce training, all those pieces that go into creating prosperity in these places in the future.
What I know is this is probably like any rural county in Kansas, Nebraska, wherever. They all have the same issues, I'm guessing, with the old infrastructure.
Old infrastructure, and then the isolation and not being connected to a modern world through high-speed internet is a prevalent challenge. There are multiple programs at the federal level that can help with broadband connection, and we have several of them at USDA, and those get reauthorized in the Farm Bill and provide an opportunity to make some changes that can make these programs easier for communities to use and then more effective on the ground. And then in addition to our existing programs, Congress gave us a substantial increase in new resources in this last spending bill. They've asked us to create a broadband pilot program, and we are wasting no time in getting to work on that so that we can get these resources delivered on the ground, but in a strategic way. Sure, I think whether we're talking about changes in resource levels or in policy, one thing that remains a constant need for is partnership, and that's what I had an opportunity to see today. You have a group of community leaders that are coming together to tackle challenges, and we want to come in to assist them from a federal level with our people and our programs to help them achieve that vision for their future. Another issue we heard touched on today in the community discussion is the challenge with addiction in the community, and we are working with communities really to tackle the opioid epidemic that's affecting so many communities, and that challenge goes broader than opioids. Today we heard about a lot of challenges with meth, and we have resources to help communities deal with the immediate need for prevention, treatment, and recovery, but we also, perhaps more importantly, have resources that can help communities address some of those underlying challenges that often make them more vulnerable to issues like drugs taking hold.